Okay, number 5. Put your x there. And my base is 3 to the exponent x equals 1/9. I'm going from whole number to a fraction, so I know my x is going to equal a negative. And to get from 3 to 9, I have to square it. So my exponent is 2. We didn't do change of base formula, did we? Ooh, we got to go back and do that. You guys got your note sheet? And condensing, where you're using the either the product property, quotient property, or the power property. If you're using the product property for when you have two numbers being multiplied, use the quotient property when you have two numbers being divided, and the power property when you have a exponent to a number. Okay. I think it looks like I did quite a few, all of them. Yeah, I'll have to do it on your homework sheet. Do some examples there. Now, change of base formula. Now, remember in your calculator, you only have the log key. You only have the log key and the natural log keys. So we had to only use these buttons if we had the log base 10, right? It's common log. Or the natural log. The change of base formula, change of base formula lets us do this without, let's just put it in common log or natural log without changing base to base 10. So I'll read it to you, but then it make more sense when we do problems. If I have log base c of u, I can put the log of u on top and the log of c on the bottom, automatically change them to the common log, and I don't have to convert anything to the base 10. Okay? Same thing, or I could use the natural log, either one. So in other words, number 15, I can't evaluate this. The only way we know how to evaluate this was to raise this, make it an exponentiate, where we take a 3 and then we cancel out the 3's. Now we can actually use our change of base formula. My log of 7 goes on top. My common log 7 goes. My common log 7 goes on top, divided by common log of 3. And I just put that in my calculators using the log button. So log 7, and I believe you have to put them in parentheses, otherwise you get the wrong answer, divided by log 3, parenthesis, and let's go out 3 decimal places at the minimum. Okay, so I get 1.771. A lot easier, isn't it? You can what? Did you say something? Bless you, my son. Okay, you can also use the ln key. You could use ln of 147 over ln of 2. You must put the number on top and the base on the bottom. What do you need? Huh? I was going to mention you got a different hairstyle. I still think mine can look like that.
You better start back combing your shit.
I don't know how to. I don't know what to do. I need to call Jacob Weed. Okay, so I'm going to take the ln of 147 divided by ln of 2. And I get 7.1996, round up to 6. And I get 7.2. So it doesn't matter whether you use the common log or the ln. Just make sure that you put the number on top and the base on the bottom. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Are you using parentheses? You should get the same answer. Yeah, you should get the same answer. Okay, 17 log 50 log 6. I get 2.183. Me too. When's our spring break? 2 weeks?
My birthday's on Sunday, mister.
Oh, I can't wait.
What are you getting me? Another email from my dad?
I'm just going to email him every day.
You better start telling him your daughter's fucking awesome. My dad was like, really? You just got in trouble and now this shit? And I was like, yeah.
Okay, back to practice sheet.
He made me scrub my room all weekend. He made me shampoo my carpets. You know how bogus that was?
Nope. Pretty easy. So I'm going to take the log of 21, the number, divided by the log of the base, 4. So log 21 divided by log 4. And I get 2.196. I think you have a language problem.
Well, I was just trying to smoke a black and the fucking dry dread Dunkin', and the guy was like, is that a blunt? And I was like, does it smell
Log
like a blunt?
2 over log 7.
He was like, is that a blunt? Like, what? No, I was smoking a blunt.
0.356.
Man, let me get 2 pieces. You're not wrong.
Yep.
Mr. D, what are you giving me for my birthday?
A detention.
Mr. D, didn't you order those Girl Scout cookies and you got them and you never
I gave them to my dog. I ate one and
Are you kidding me?
they weren't very
You
good.
told me you were going to give me one of the boxes.
Did I?
Traitor.
I gave some to some students. And
Dude, from what he tells me, his dog's bad.
I think I
His dog's gonna die for the chocolate.
His dog, he said his dog tried to be biting folks and shit.
those shortbread cookies were not very good. I thought they were poison.
I don't know why I would get them. Wait, the s'mores ones?
No, s'mores
Were the
were
s'mores
edible.
good?
They were edible.
I
Put
heard
it that
they were
way.
good.
They were edible.
My grandma bought a box, but then she told me
Okay, I'm going to use the properties to expand. So I have multiplication here. Product property says take the ln and separate my two numbers by using addition. Then I can use my power property by taking the exponents and putting it in front. And that's as far as I can go with this expansion. By the way, I think I'll be here all week except Friday afternoon. I'm pretty sure I will. I know. It's unusual. Okay, I have division. Quotient property says use subtraction. So I have log x cubed minus log y to the 6th. Then I can use my power property, bring those exponents out in front. 3 log x, 6 log y. And then we can do the condensing. It's just the opposite way. I have a number in front. It's going to become my exponent. So I have log u squared plus log v cubed. I have plus that I can make these two a product then. Yes. So I have log u squared times v cubed condensed. I get it down to 1 log and I'm done. And one last one. Numbers become exponents. So I have log a to the 4th minus log b cubed. I have subtraction. These become a quotient. Log a to the 4th over b cubed. And I'm done because I have 1 log. So let's make this easy. Let's stop here. You guys do the evens. It's a review day. You should get this done like in 10 minutes.
Mr. D, what did you look like when you were younger? You always look like a big old hairy ham.